best way to predict the future is to invent it. Long the mother of invention, necessity must now contend with imagination, particularly when it comes to how we picture ourselves working, communicating, and entertaining in the future. After all, what was once science fiction is now available in stores everywhere. Technological change reveals two horizons, one possible, one imagined. Demand for information on the move is driving a revolution in the portable appliance and visual communication markets. And now TFT LCD is enabling a new revolution in television technology. Flat panel display television driven by TFT LCD has caught the imagination of the world. Images of flat panel TVs are everywhere. The innovation leader in CVD technology for TFT LCD? AKT. AKT continues to provide leadership in productivity and innovation for both PECVD production and electron beam array test technology. AKT 25K CVD and AKT 15K EBT build on all the expertise that AKT has gained in single substrate CVD processing and vacuum technologies, utilizing many proven designs, components, and subsystems to ensure the highest possible performance and reliability.
If you put 100 people in a room and ask everyone would they like to have an LCD television, 100 hands would go up in the air. If you then ask the question how many people have an LCD television, maybe one will go up in the air. So what the 25K and the Generation 6 products are going to do is allow the cost of the 37-inch panel to decrease. Whereas today we may make one or two televisions on one substrate, on the 25K you can make 6 37-inch televisions on one substrate.
The AKT 25K system class handles substrates up to 1500 by 1800 millimeters. Each substrate can produce an astounding 24-up 17-inch UXGA or SXGA panels, or maybe more importantly, 6-up 37-inch panels for the LCD TV application, giving customers flexibility in panel size as well as increased productivity. This is a 96% increase in glass size from 5th generation 1100 by 1250 millimeter class systems. The AKT 25K PECVD system's hexagonal transfer chamber accommodates a double dual slot load lock chamber, which provides substrate cooling. Up to 5 process chambers enable the deposition of 3-layer films for gate nitride, amorphous silicon, and N+ amorphous silicon to achieve throughputs of approximately 30 to 35 substrates per hour and over 60 substrates per hour for single-layer films. The new AKT 25K provides excellent deposition uniformity and superior temperature uniformity across the large substrate area. The AKT 15K EBT offers large area e-beam vector scanning technology, which allows for higher system reliability, lower running costs, and higher throughput by replacing expensive probers and other mechanics with beam deflection. By offering the flexibility of individual pixel beam addressing, the customer enjoys better defect detection and characterization capability than with competing technologies. The fast vector mode offers extendability for high-resolution, large-size substrates while maintaining superior test reliability.
AKT's Electron Beam Tester 15K is our product for testing individual transistors. And we do that in order to find defects and allow them to be corrected later in the process. As we move to the television market, the need to test every single pixel is critical and repair any defects. The throughput of our tool is determined by how many pixels there are, not how large the area is. So as the glass substrates become larger and larger, the actual pixel density becomes actually less. So we're able to test that very quickly. AKT's electron beam technology is going to enable our customers to have a higher productivity in their factories, which will lower the cost of the panels, the LCD TVs, to you and I. So more people will be able to raise their hand and say, yes, I have an LCD TV.
AKT will be there, anticipating the future, supporting all new international manufacturing venues, and introduction of new generations of CVD technology for TFT LCD to enable low-cost LCD TV production.
AKT has led the way in every generation for the last 12 years. And in order to do that, we need to invent new things, new ways of doing things, new ways to handle and to manufacture. Doing that has granted AKT 200 worldwide patents today, and we have another 350 patents that are pending.
The future will soon entertain, inform, and intuitively respond to us through visual interfaces. Through them, our homes will anticipate and respond personally to our needs. Displays of all shapes and sizes are about to become commonplace, an integral and necessary part of our world. AKT is pioneering the development of the CVD technology for TFT LCD, which will make it all a reality, anticipating the future now. AKT, a global company behind our customers, leading the way in technology.